or this track, I mean, Damakumas, African man. Yes, it be ni. Timo soon for bro, mama start tracking.
African man go say, my brother go to school. I want you be a lawyer, no be who you choose. I give back to you. I know what's good for you. I know you get the talent, but I bought the shoes, so please help me. I wanna be a father to a doctor. See you wear the suit and tie on my son a pastor. Oh, I wanna be a father to a lawyer. See you wear the suit and tie on my son a pastor. Yeah, see what we living in. Yeah, see the ground we living in. Oh, yeah, see what we living in. Yeah, a continent we living in.
Aha, Poleeno Multimedia. Mediane Armstrong Poleeno there. When him say the piano, yeah, the content emodu and a bro. Now you real man, you pet talent no. You're born home one na yeah the number now so hono. And JP near the Raga Boy by the Good Boys by, but you real ya do score, ya compare a brand TV. But before then, no file phone no, ne call Instagram, ne call Poleeno_com, ne fully kama. Because concern you debut YouTuber, na debut or so. And you need na debut to YouTube. Itu fully or na when you concern. Abranche, me mo call.
Yo bro, sorry.
Now we didn't hear
It's big.
It's big.
Yeah, sure.
It's big.
It's big.
And I say, way back, big. Now that's big.
Oh, nah, not really. Like I said,
okay.
When I didn't way back SHS.
Okay.
Yeah, then time that boys now know more around. I'm afraid me stand on SRE.
Okay.
So like when started send me music and I'm saying nah, I'm just stand on you be doing.
Yeah.
Like a bad man doing. It means me used to start doing say the music officially. It now say me for me like me yes I'm acronyms be me katikati doing me
okay,
it's like it's big you know like a acronym that say stand up best ever in rap game. Yeah.
Stand up
best ever in rap game.
Okay, stand up best ever in rap game. Okay, then I say basically oh yeah rapper.
Yeah, I started as a rapper.
Okay.
But right now no like I do all whatever.
Oh, okay.
Like, yeah.
Okay, but before then you be boy rap no. You be my Sbeirg am a freestyle bass.
Check like time they go, my boys, all the blows was beg me jina fa say foul, ni jina da nyamene nanso man ye but me konso. Sadin tina man from a brand ye bibi pa ene maloke. Timrense sansa na me hunu my dofo. So what is here but when you TV so I'm free na my blog kill. When you fake to my blog kill. Yeah, you know be real, don't force it. Then time with the beg for the snap, but today with the rush we don't want it. Hey. Can't see girls that my nose, my D, my clear. When you want hit how you be a CM. Whoa, what a crazy world. You don't want you, but you never help. Men can't show by getting hit. No be now stay fly, I need a jet. Whoa, see, the feeling I'm feeling within is too heavy to carry now. I kill him with a smile. Samanya ya men kwame sempa. Whoa.
Samanya ya men kwame sempa.
Child be on.
See hey, ya nye ya.
Kwame sempa.
Obi sorry say Poleeno J. $1,000 for some FDD.
Straight.
And see, yes, sorry, I know Pebiana. I was say the age mading. Also, baby, I will be na. Also, age mading. Now, a see amount. It's back yo,
broski, bro.
Now, in some of our Canada, as always on Treasure, and Kofubi neglected and all force it to.
Yeah, we say we are now basically like oh yeah, they all started idea biana. Idea biasha se menka say ending. Yeah. Until say why Jumana wafa hardness ni mwa bedru level be no obi eno hono mo be ba so be dey obeboa until right now me can say me nam sa stage ni me nam stage na ending ni na right now obi anya na adwen so be dey invest na bisa no but still we dey on the grind. We still the grind kakran kai e dey trip pem ni ade until fana you don't want more so I can say.
And see, abusuafo epene so especially my many papa no.
Omode make us a moment in there like no she the support in the way. Okay. But I say in school near there right now day school. So like no person me school near and sana if they should throw in her full support near there. But popine there no check like on fan home. So I say and you say how on support it on fan like I do my thing. If
vibe and fire.
Ono on kasa ye no.
Ono on kasa jai. Yeah, but ono there ono a fire cool ono he dey.
Okay.
But mo mean there in a way no. It me create him tracks. Yeah, show some.
Okay.
But a fire Poleeno will be a bit.
And see, what was Kube?
No, you know, University of Energy and Natural Resources.
Okay, Sunyani, right?
Yes, Sunyani.
Oh, okay. My friend be called.
Oh, cool.
Mobbing. Now, where I can say, the way we see came here, I was school my way in new media. In a way, in the school, we are a bit famous, right?
Oh, yeah, sure. Squad name,
because my boss, sure, they be our boss.
Oh, yeah.
And so,
campus show be a Charlie. Campus show be a Charlie.
And see, Miss Roman car, or girls here be 10.
Oh, nah, man, you're a cool type, like, man, you're a cool guy.
Tiba Hokren.
Oh, nah, for now, they own music na, kakanka.
To school, unde Tiba Hokra.
There.
On train by Hokran.
Oh, nah.
Okay. It's back to me, girl. And see, say, be a single, a single, into your banner, say, or dream, say, or no, or say. I ran to the pill, dear sister. Starting there, a wobble on a pack.
Yes, a far and one, but really. Say far, now you're never.
I say, I'm Ramon.
There we went on Mamba. So when you're about, when you imagine some about. So,
and only girl. Memma, but oh, the way a boom, the way see Cassana or Cassabe boom and fire into now, no bit me aba. But I just a friend one, a Cassaqua into no just a mumbra this time. Ne far and one. It's big. We are point on. No one that's all around.
Oh, Charlie,
until you started music career, no, and mainstream for being when it's along the line.
Okay, like many, Abrawana.
Okay.
In senior most. Yeah. And I'm a strong man, so it was 2 tracks.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I'm more many Kontaka.
Okay.
Yeah, many Kontaka. So I mean a couple of artists.
They say, oh, focus on feature no pay rappers no more.
Feature no, basically like more times no. Before my boss, like my boss, I'm in the right now. Like, oh no, you're a blogger. Ghana.com.
Okay.
So no, not sometime or no using the platform no the pay features man. It's sometime I na me.
Oh na.
Me yeah. It's be on one link you beg. Me strong man. You beg. Me contact am so okay cool. Me no my.
Unya almost na track no release right?
Oh yeah. No crowd na.
Minya
Africa na me ba nti like minya features no crowd anthem ka.
Okay. Na say nyamishira will game me.
Nyamishira anthem. Was our kind of
stuff.
But right now, I finish, so every back is like I say, Michelle we cried a bit more.
Now, in see, Uji this you can say, okay, so feature strong man, maybe so. Strong man there. You name so a rapper, but before I got a phone in a bit Gina too, ne line now first in a battle.
A battle raps.
KFM, as you say, I think it's solid, right?
Solid, yeah.
Or the battle and a winning, no call GH1.
GH1, yeah.
As an sack, every signing, no.
True.
Sack signing, no crown, because why battle, or the battle between medical and a DG to say, oh, strong man, very dope. What supports this line, say on this same fine hitting?
Well, make I say, no, no vibe, and what take he say. Maybe that's gonna help him. Maybe I know what take he say. Unse strong man, or my brother, or no. Like I started say hardcore rap now. Unse born man, almost started as hard rappers near the bar. As time goes on, almost switching.
Sakode is one of them.
Yeah.
Or started giddy, but me obede me ana make me feel but the words is started giddy. Say what drop it. Boys no. Me now for we say GLA team they say Ken the oye na say in the emfa nti sa for who came in sa la line
do trouble
John like nti trouble me dey maka yeah nti you can say obe encourage say beef ebe wo game ni
like I say basically sometimes my industry no mo yede so I say wow, share, wow, check here, Ghana has no. We say music, and you one year more. So I say you are doing for the people, yeah. In a way, if the people want it, you have to give to them. Wow, say na say any my idea na me to make sure say but yeah unse I've been around you hard near there but beef no bear mo near there no yeah I'm man of face kaka like I'm man for yeah I'm say yo this like I'm man for me say yeah yeah that hard although yeah you industry no na yeah it's you near there no be him say yeah good rapper near there but beef near there no bear no yeah
what can you say bullet and your bullet bulldog instead bulldog say lyrically or ye dope echen kensak
Saturday
oh ye musician and I saw a rapper right and see but me am I more analysis based on or more content according to bulldog I say about lyrics wise far better than Saturday would you think
no I wouldn't buy that so of like you'll be from day one or looking up to Saturday so how are you gonna say that like you'll be from day one utie no flow utie no rapper you can see Saturday in no rap so what I say utie like utie rap like static KFM nessa we now kana utie no rapper oh now you can see say Saturday Saturday sorry looks up to Saturday so how are you going to say that is because Nicki Minaj it's a rap channel win
it's not possible.
It's not possible. Yeah.
All right. Make sure say a higher one Medre Baba shop. Starboys and Kwani you me where me tia me ya hana me.
That's it.
Me a 3 year intimate me it's a flight from crying. No be na me call now per location direct opposite University of Education when about Kumasi campus. Direct opposite Shell filling station we ho estroha and no more. Oba you be more free Wi-Fi. Boys in the book game like on your guys on to me what I say and see and obi also a guy be up 9 seconds and see ha say there open 9 seconds no aba until now who say me twitwa mani because enko for ba more what I say interviews ni na enko for ba nti baby bia wo bia anywhere bia no me say me won kan na be you ha ne de unti mi ngasa wo temanti excuse masa be yi aha Poleeno Multimedia Mediane Armstrong Poleeno ade. Before then, no, some another flow now. Yeah.
Okay. This life be short, my own be long. Boys they cash out, but me I the home. Phone on my phone, yeah. Back 2 weeks, now me did it, bros. Yeah. My only bros they call me for, whoa. Ebefa, yeah. Enti sika no ba mo be ba, yeah. Ebefa. Yeah, it's sika no ba mo ba. Yeah. Oh no, oh no, Lord, no. Yeah. Oh no, no. Yeah. Ebefa. Yeah, it's sika no ba mo ba. Yeah. Ebefa. Yeah, it's sika no ba mo ba. Whoa.
Wow, scano e ba mo ana mbeba. Say me catch you so no kasa be boom. O se brafisia na wa ma na sika ne ba na wo ba, obetwi condemn. Oh, nti sesia no na wo ba na biaye wo so what ya say. Sika ne ba mo ana mbeba. Wow, very dope.
Thanks, bro.
I see Kwesiata in this style.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, Obia or yes or DT and Yomanesa. Sometimes a bit meeting, almost say, AI me. AI, I don't know, say, what's it? Yeah. This is someone on 4 card, this is Bob Marley,
Drake.
This is Drake, yeah. Actually, like Drake will be like I listen to him a lot. Until Obia or yes or DT and Yomanesa, then Obia or Angola or coming from.
Shatta Wale,
Shatta Bossy,
and Stonebwoy,
salute.
Why not be calling for a feature?
Poleeno.
Yeah, choose one.
Okay. So Poleeno na your boss for. So Poleeno me teach more money there. But I listen to Stonebwoy a lot because of his content, like how he writes, how he and Shatta Wale will be like I like his personality. Like the way or no city how it goes about doing things, and when me feel about Shatta Wale. Oh, but musically, like me, be a Stonebwoy a lot. So when it comes to future, I'll definitely go in for Stonebwoy. But then Shatta, you'll be me feeling like the energy on it, so like Charlie.
The vibe chill, but me feeling lyrics there and you dope.
Me feeling lyrics.
But between
Stonebwoy
and Lewis, dope chain Shatta Wale.
Stonebwoy, me feeling Stonebwoy
and lyrics. Between Omumi to you no, Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale.
Me feeling Stonebwoy lyrics chain Shatta Wale.
And to me, Stonebwoy Lewis dope than Shatta Wale.
To me,
to you,
me feeling okay. Me.
I say, "Who's showing me a yes, we never could do it. What you say? I say, you are all cancer. I say, oh,
yeah, what I say? Okay, when can I say? Stonebwoy tracks are like putting it out, I relate to more. Me related to me, like I said, me feel Stonebwoy.
Me so feel Stonebwoy. Inti me person me try say. Omumi no. Why and Lewis dope.
Dope. Stonebwoy Lewis dope mama pa.
That's it. Yeah, sure. According to Sbeirg, no say Shatta Wale. O vibes eche, but on se moha. To say atinten.
No se munya how.
No say according to Omumi no the person oche.
No say you dope pa.
Hey, Poleeno Multimedia.
Me really
uti your platform no ba. O ka asem try ma on fa ne try. Ye be what I say? Until obi rapper bi edesi obi aye ba na be chirichirim we say o say nti ye chirichirim ma refo hu seden say na aso me say den eka nti ye chew na wote ha o kan ye be sa chirim
Matias
yeah nti de o kan no ne nchire mu no
Ever say me feel Stonebwoy Lewis 90% Shatta de ne 89.5 sanity nti o mo ben pa
abo be so use na okay, I say.
Oh, Benva.
You don't know. In fact, Charlie, Sbeirg say, Stonebwoy, Lewis, very dope.
Yeah, sure.
And Shatta Wale so estis a channel. In all, no, a bomb modern here, the pushy Ghana music industry. What I say? Poleeno Multimedia, so your support. You say, a boy, Jima, come. Sbeirg, what is the future plan?
Me want to say future here very big.
Okay.
Very, very big. We started here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm coming up with a new single, ebefa, into parentheses, street anthem. And with my boys now, like right now, no, my new team now, they are putting in like a lot of work, like lot of efforts. To me, I know say definitely we're going to get there. You said definitely, like right now, I say share on the Charlie.
Yeah,
you've been helping a lot, see Charlie. You said then you'll be drawn, Charlie.
Yeah, Sbeirg live at stadium. Obo
Straight.
Do you feel disappointed, say, Owo Kumasi? Because I'm saying Owo Kumasi are supporting you very light.
They kind of say, in a way, being an artist or Kumasi no, break kakra. Break kakra in a way say. Everyone say, what should see a new videos every year? How many TV stations are in Kumasi here? Like top TV stations are amount for shit. Ghana for any other show. Me to me no, and only only disadvantage are like being an artist in Kumasi because while when you show my artist no more Kumasi, you know, like who be promoting on your hard pa all those Kumasi media, no, they are doing very good. But then who promoting your friends say. Now, a cover like you can't leave a crowd.
Okay.
So as I say, it was a cover because that's where all the big stations are.
Okay.
All the big stations. Wow, I say, where's my body?
The attorney say the all kind of me no agree, me no when you agree. Say, all kind of say, the Brazil free crime back Kumasi be
yeah. Matias pa. Unse. Ufe Accra, ebe Kumasi a. Me make say like compare Kumasi media to Accra media. Like Accra for no, more strong
the
like media. Straight. Almost strong like media like almost strong. Yeah, a bit more promote. onyom na
na say o kan say so de o say me akra ma ba Kumasi no interview the same way no vice versa also bonyum na be so promotion and you go to Accra then you do interviews you do promotion
Matthias ba say nearest market na there we say oh yeah
I understand but say who you out there you have to go. Yeah and I say mo ye dwe mo wo Kumasi na mo dwen say oh ye hu obi ya yenyum e wo say e bia dim ha ma frame on show so hello now or interview me and I say Tony Best frame me e wa Akoma FM no interview me you understand
okay
and why frame me and why my enyum o anu afre no and DJ my enyum o mpese o promote me just like that
okay any be some upcoming so
yes,
some artists but then me like me cry me hard them from yo Charlie yo bro DJ mpacho me track be mpese me ba show ne so hey DJ Slim mpacho mpese passing through coast bomb mpese passing through so Charlie me there to me no me ana me name team no na actually yeah you working hard you tripping links near there put it but I don't know for the other artists.
So are you planning to move from Kumasi very anytime soon?
Oh, yeah, sure. Sure. Definitely Arcadia like I would say you could be so on you're promoting your so economy big time like
I'm rather say on Kumasi beam. Big acquisitions on Kumasi beam. Also by your ma over bank and I say me Kumasi beam nana.
Oh no. I'm rather
will you still claim Kumasi?
Claim me I'll claim like I claim Ghana, like claim Africa.
No, I say Sako they claim Africa, but then obviously say yeah I'm the TM boy. What you say?
Yeah.
Floating stones say oh Kumasi boy. You understand? Will you still go like I'm that proud Kumasi boy?
Well, it will depend. But me who want say like I'm for the whole Ghana into Charlie. Me have the Ghana boys, so Charlie Ghana for you now I'm supporting so I say.
Kumasi for Sbeirg say mo pushing us said then cry na odru ba bia on kase.
Oh na Kumasi dey say me fie. Kumasi dey me dia na omo but person say me Ghana nyina dia.
Sasa akọ dey o Ghana na Africa nyina dia but still no say me Tema boy.
Okay, me I wouldn't like to put a tag on me say me Kumasi boy.
All right.
Yeah, the Ghana boy.
That's it. Mommy, another rap na
another rapper.
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of rapper they do you be simple brother show wanna be Kingston. I'm switching the styles. So I'm saying you're naturally good. Frutely. I kill them boys on the cipher. I'm saying you're papa. Namoba. Oh no, me flow no net do until I'm tia na no. Mr. DJ, but the replay by 3 days when you delay him day. I say brandy pause. I feature I'm saying man I'm tia say you know just I'm tia say. What tia say when I'm here days flow and Drew baby. I'm chibi will it. Wow.
His back here, I see me flow no a natural fruitly.
Charlie.
No, I say fruitly no a natural. You am far away any Charlie. Charlie, boy need to do.
Charlie, thanks bro.
Why not manage you?
Right now, make I say I'm not under any record label.
Okay.
I'm just doing my thing with my boys. Okay. Shouts to Uganda, shouts to Shika, shouts to Andy, shouts to Della. Charlie, boys no more around me now. Charlie, almost supporting us. Charlie, much respect, bro.
I hope say in rich maybe now why you say ya no. Why it's na say hey Shika Frewa as a Charlie me no need business so me so team so be any do be
nah me I believe in say man almost start you know like only on my yeah so to me say me now family go from day one no. Those are the same people that like I roll with so I believe say I have that loyalty now Charlie meet me on my age from day one opportunity
na say obi tia on us o ma on almost start here no o kona obi tia on us along the line cry na o be forget no ka say me na starting here nkwa na
there be me tia on us there we say me see me share hasi me share streets here o hit me amente me ku streets nti o snatch me ko nti me ko no wanye hard anto anche ya ye ko eja
okay
sana akoy
nti o snatch ya obe
unza o snatch ya o bo echi
okay
nti wanye hard ansan kache ya fa ne ko nti chale me boys nso me live me nim say o nyina ya lawyer
and king of Accra kache obe dey say o say o for obe dey for a features as obe dey so ni
live yeah
and yes o ni live obe here but charges need
our business. Oh, okay.
And also, they say on any need to so be a what I say. So, you can over.
Yeah, I know. So, almost starting way back. Like, I know.
Maybe I was snatch obede. And I could
yeah, minim.
Into this video course.
Sandy, I just want to.
Okay.
Until Bianca, Samranka, Kino Facasa, I had a Drew, KP, more than Bianca. Link up no be easy,
Sbeirg any no I say. Into all unya record label be and say any management team there okay.
Yeah, definitely. Cano a bulla Charlie. Untiminia Quenska, no crack on being in our own. Many, you know, until Charlie, until we are open. Charlie, we are open. If anything wants to come in, Charlie, work with us. Charlie, we are open.
All right. Yeah, Raga Boy train common. We had so many calls, more than 10, numerous of calls, and I'm more afraid to manage Raga Boy. Oh, nice. Maybe you could see it because yeah, FM the area. Offer for the number now, yeah, the mount. But this time in Besenko for be free after so. Okay. So you have to give your number out. Send me will be per or be free straight.
Okay. I'm check it. Na me phone number we. Okay. Obi person is beg your Juma on phone number we. Okay. 0540 41 95 71. 0540 41 95 71. To Charlie. On hala me bogus na chase omuna munyin komo na ya.
All right. So pay is back now. 100 now because the boy is super dope. Super dope. And it's all say one in a year Juma na so be show record label. I bet me afre 0540 41 95 71. No boy.
Yeah.
The boy is super dope. I Poleeno Multimedia. But before everyone is back akokra. Charlie, this track, I mean, Damakumas, African man. Yes, it be ni. Timo soon for bro, mama say tracking.
Can I say squad P or talent niya the more vibes are more like one more actor, one more but chinchana parents in you na Charlie, you see Charlie no. Person ye doctor, person but die any other. No,
so they may win bana and Kaibianka or some question baby na me chira and answer me na banging. Yeah. Na my time my camera na me the now.
Mommy's watching.
Yeah. And God me don't think got on. Because me see me way back SS. We on him go school. JSS me boko. SS me boko. University me skepek.
Sana when in your dinner. I have mommy in the talents na so Charlie.
Sent in a track na a Damakumas.
Sa straight.
See African mango say yes.
Yanko.
African mango say my brother go to school. I want you be a lawyer, no be who you choose. I give back to you. I know what's good for you. I know you get the talent, but I bought the shoes, so please hear me. I wanna be a father to a doctor. See you wear the suit and tie on my son a pastor. Oh, I wanna be a father to a lawyer. See you wear the suit and tie on my son a pastor. Yeah, see what we living in. Yeah, see the ground we living in. Oh, yeah, see what we living in. Yeah, a continent we living in. Yeah. But if you know what you stand for, if you came for the cow, you don't wait for a quarter. Keep your heads up and listen to no other. You know yourself better than mama. Who? Me I the one sing, we I the one write. I wanna take my music over the world and make a change. I wanna inspire, where I wanna entertain. Yeah, my family want me do another thing. But this world is made unfair. Want it can't get it, no what? Those with the talent, no sponsors. Those with the sponsors, zero talent. Who?
So what I say, it's hard.
Yeah, I say those with talent, no sponsors.
Yeah.
Those with sponsors, no talent. Atapala. Yeah, kind of straight. Yeah, found wada talent. No meandering, straight. Rebecca. Bro, I hope say nyame ebeshira na aduana waduano ebefifi.
Amen.
Make sure say ha emidre baba shop. Say wo baby anywhere bia wo bia no person youth. E ma ba ha ebeyi girl bitimani a me interview nyina me hwene saa because me gidi say yenyi ne nwie na ho for na times 10. Me sure say Jeff so gina ne nchen de o ma ne nkokwa obeji number. Enti oye be ma na say oni boy oni girl kra na oba ha be youth here any how bitimi enya so no de na o de a check your hafa
A direct opposite University of Education when about Kumasi campus on a Shell filling station on a strong. Oba, you be you come a Starboy Andy Waha, we try more Philly, Dela Esoha, or we try more Philly. Mediane Armstrong Poleeno are there. Following our Instagram, Poleeno_com. Send America no, Emi drive about shop a direct opposite University of Education when about Oba, you be you come a. But before you be kono, it's Sbeirg final words.
Okay, mama share me right now. Mama share Poleeno Multimedia, Charlie. I beg you guys, Charlie. Make you guys go follow me for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Charlie, everywhere. Sbeirg, SBEIRG, Charlie. Mon follow me. With the new track about Street Anthem, ebefa, Charlie. Mon share, Charlie.
I think it's a Poleeno Multimedia YouTube stories and for also copy nearby. A very dope track. Then so ebefa. The way piano ebefa. Uton so ebefa. We shoe shine ebefa. Uko school na ya trailer una se o koye reciter ebefa. Minimum bi ya trailer no ebefa. Aha Poleeno Multimedia. Bye bye.